Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into the cool world of interrupts and buffers, two unsung heroes that keep your computer running smoothly. Let's break it down. First up, interrupts. Imagine your computer is like a busy chef in a restaurant. He's juggling multiple orders at once. An interrupt is like a customer loudly alerting the chef that they need something right now, maybe a special request or an urgent order. When an interrupt happens, it's a signal to the microprocessor to pause what it's doing. This could be a timing signal, an I/O operation, a hardware fault, a user interaction, or even a software error. The processor then identifies the interrupt type, determines its priority, and saves the current task's state before attending to the interrupt. This process is crucial because it allows multitasking and keeps the system responsive. Without interrupts, your computer would be like that overwhelmed chef, unable to handle new orders until finishing the current task. Now let's talk about buffers. Think of a buffer as a temporary storage area, like a waiting room for data. Buffers help manage the differences in data transmission speeds between devices. Say you're downloading a movie. The buffer stores chunks of data while your internet slowly feeds it, ensuring smooth playback without those annoying pauses. Buffers are essential for handling data flow efficiently. They allow your computer to balance and manage different speeds of data transmission, making sure everything runs smoothly. So, how do interrupts and buffers work together? Let's use the example of printing a document. When you hit print, the computer sends data to the printer, but printers aren't as fast as computers. So, a buffer stores the print data while the printer processes it at its own pace. If there's an error, like paper jams, an interrupt signals the processor to handle it, ensuring the system stays on track. In essence, interrupts and buffers are like the dynamic duo of computing. Interrupts keep your system agile and responsive, while buffers ensure smooth data flow and efficient multitasking. Together, they optimize your computer's performance, making sure everything runs like a well-oiled machine. To wrap it up, remember these key points. Interrupts are signals that demand immediate attention, enabling multitasking and responsiveness. Buffers are temporary storage areas that balance data transmission speeds, ensuring smooth operation. And when they work together, your computer performs at its best. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech insights. Dive deeper into these topics with the resources linked below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.